Hey there, home sellers. So, your house didn't sell. How could this happen to your beautiful, unique, one-of-a-kind gem? If you're feeling a mix of frustration and disappointment, well, welcome to the club of sellers who thought their homes were God's gift to the real estate market. Let's dissect why your treasure trove of memories didn't fly off the shelves and what you can do about it. Spoiler alert, you might need to take a long, hard look in the mirror. First up, was it priced for today's market? Setting the right price is like finding a needle in a haystack, except the haystack is on fire, and the needle is invisible. You probably thought, hey, my house is the best one on the block, let's price it like it's made of solid gold. Brilliant. Did you know buyers absolutely adore overpriced homes? According to the rocket scientists at Rocket Mortgage, buyer interest in your home is highest when it first comes on the market. If you overprice your house, buyers may just raise an eyebrow and move on to the next listing without even coming for a showing. So next time, try listing your house at a price that doesn't require a loan shark. Was it easy for buyers to tour? Oh, you made it difficult for buyers to see your house? Genius move! Everyone loves a challenge, right? Nothing screams buy me like restricted viewing hours. I mean, who wouldn't want to rearrange their life to fit your busy schedule? Showing time suggests, do your best to be as flexible as possible when granting access to your house for showings. In other words, stop treating your house like it's a top-secret government facility. Was it set up to make the best impression on buyers? Your house is perfect, just the way it is, right? Wrong. Those quirky features you adore might be screaming run to potential buyers. Even small repairs can make a huge difference. Maybe try this revolutionary concept: clean your yard, slap on some fresh paint, and for the love of all that is holy, hide your creepy doll collection. Were you willing to negotiate? Oh, you got offers but didn't feel like negotiating? Fabulous strategy. Everyone loves a seller who's as flexible as a brick. Remember, today's market is a delicate balance of supply, demand, and buyers who are just as fed up as you are. According to the oracles at Ramsey Solutions, if you don't have the money or time to fix home issues, consider offering some other form of incentive to buyers. Translation: play ball or watch your house collect dust. And, did you listen to your agent? Your real estate agent isn't just there for decoration. Whether you stick with the one who couldn't sell your house or find a new one, an expert's perspective is worth its weight in gold. They'll give you the lowdown on what went wrong and how to avoid it next time. As Better Homes and Gardens so kindly puts it, agents want what is best for you and the sale of your home, and having open communication about any frustrations will be key. So maybe, just maybe, listen to the person who actually knows what they're doing. Alright folks, that's it for today. Remember, selling your home is a journey, not a sprint. Take these tips to heart, and you'll be well on your way to sealing the deal. Happy selling!